Welcome. Go ahead and make yourself comfortable. Make sure your surroundings are calm and relaxing and quiet. You can be sitting upright or laying down. It's up to you. Whatever feels the most comfortable in your body today. And once you have settled in, gently close your eyes. Take some deep, relaxing breaths to calm the body and mind. Inhaling slowly through the nose and breathing out slowly through the mouth. Breathing in through the nose and breathing out through the mouth. Breathing in, breathing out. And begin to really tune into your breaths. With every inhale, breathe in the intention of relaxation. And with every exhale, breathe out stress, worry, tension, and any concerning thoughts. Release any unnecessary mental weight you have been carrying. Just place it down gently. This is your time to invite in relaxation and inner calm. So breathing in comfort, soothing, peaceful feelings, and breathing out anxiety, fear, and all tension. And as you continue to breathe, create a nice and safe space for yourself of relaxation, surrender, security, and total peace. With every exhale, allow all the negative thoughts to fade away. Let it all go. Imagine your thoughts as if they were leaves gently blown away by a summer breeze. Now, start to notice the way your body feels. Check your posture. Notice if there are any parts that feel tense, or maybe your jaw muscles or your belly. Just try to observe your body right now without changing anything, just resting in this present time awareness. Tune into all your 5 senses. Notice any sounds around you. Notice what you can smell. What can you taste? Notice what you can feel. Maybe the clothing on your skin, or the ground beneath you. And notice what you can see, even if your eyes are closed. See what images arise for you. Continue to observe noticing the relationship of your body to the space around you. Notice where you are. Notice the time of day. Notice what you are thinking or feeling. Are you restless or peaceful? Agitated or calm? Simply observe without judging or trying to change your experience. Now, bring your attention to your breath. Become aware of where you feel your breath the most. It might be your nose, in your chest, or in your belly. Take a deep breath in and notice the breath as it fills your body. Breathe out and notice the breath as it goes out. And with each new breath, allow your shoulders to relax, allowing them to simply rest where they are. Rest your arms and your hands. Take a full inventory of your body. This moment is dedicated for you to simply relax and let go. Feel what it's like to simply sit, breathe, and relax. Now, move your gentle attention to your feet. Notice your feet. Notice where they are touching the ground. Are they crossed or are they in front of you? Are they apart or touching each other? Feel each toe and how it connects to the foot. Then feel how the foot connects to the ankle. Maybe even give your toes a little wiggle. Just continue to rest here, observing your feet, allowing your feet to relax, breathing slowly and steadily. Now, move your attention to your legs. Feel how relaxed they are in your position. Relax every part of your legs, starting from your feet, moving up to your ankles, your calves, your knees, and your thighs. Just allow your legs to relax here, noticing any sensations that are present. Notice how you connect to your body and feel the breath expanding into your pelvis and hips. Feel your belly expand with the breath. Feel the gentle expansion of the chest, the way your rib cage expands and contracts. Soften your belly here. Your stomach is home for digestion, and it is a place where we hold our emotions. So allow your belly to relax completely. Breathing in and out gently. Feeling the rise and fall of your belly. Noticing the softness of it. Feeling what's here and just letting it be. Now, soften your neck. Notice any tension here and begin to relax all of the muscles in your face. Relax your jaw. Allow your tongue to drop from the roof of the mouth. Relax your cheeks and your eyelids. Relax your forehead. Whatever is experienced, just let it be. Allow your entire face to become soft. And now, feel how your whole body is connected. Feel your feet connected to your ankles connected to your calves and your knees, your legs connected to your hips and lower back, your torso connected to your chest, upper back, shoulders, and arms. Your arms are connected to your shoulders and to your neck. Your arms are the gateway to the heart. Your neck is connected to your head. Become aware of your whole body resting peacefully. You are calm and you are still, sitting in pure relaxation. Sitting in pure love. Allow your attention to rest on the breath. Breathing in deeply and breathing out calmly. Feeling your whole body gently expand and contract with each inhale and with each exhale. And when you are ready, begin to return to your surroundings, returning to your body. Feel your feet and ankles. Give them a little wiggle. Feel your arms and hands and begin stretching them gently. Maybe roll your shoulders up and down. Move your head from side to side. And allow yourself to move in this state of relaxation for the rest of your day. Gently open your eyes.